How to request a replacement Discover debit or credit card on desktop. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you need a new Discover card, well here is how to request a replacement online from a desktop. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here once inside, you can just click on the search bar and simply search for Discover Bank. And now here on the search result, just click on the second link and after that, you'll be prompted to the official website of the Discover Bank. Now here simply log in using your credentials and once logged in from your account dashboard, simply pick the debit or credit account linked to the card you want to replace and then click account service or card services and then select replace card. And there you can choose the region for your lost card and once you're done with it, you can confirm your account details. And with that, you need to verify your mailing address and then click submit or confirm to order your new card. And you will see a confirmation screen with an estimated delivery date. So with that, just a pro tip is if your card was lost or stolen, you can lock it right away to block transactions. And that's it. That's how you can request a replacement Discover debit or credit card on desktop. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.